The question is this: can a brand use LinkedIn similar to the way an individual uses LinkedIn? Let's talk about some ways that a brand can use LinkedIn. Well, first of all, what a brand can do is a brand can have a company page. So a brand can create a company page, sort of kind of similar like a LinkedIn profile for a human, but this is all about the company. And so it shows, about the company, posts of the company, jobs and people, insights. All this is about the brand and the company. You can see all the details you want to see about the company. You can see the overview statement, which is sort of like a summary or an about section on a LinkedIn profile. This is the company page. There's company pages and there are showcase pages. There's also school pages as well. But this is a company page. Now, a showcase page will look a little bit different than a company page. Here's a showcase page right here. And probably the real big difference of the showcase page is there's no employees. If I do view as member, there's no employees for a showcase page. This is actually generally a showcase page is a sub page to a company page. So again, LinkedIn profiles for the human, company pages, and showcase pages for the brand. Now, what else can a brand do? Well, it can write a post. A brand can write a post, create a post, and if you are a super admin or a content admin for a company page or a showcase page, when you go to create a post, you can click right here. I can come down here and choose LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Burriss Consulting, hit save, and I'm actually now testing a post to LinkedIn as the company page. Put a hashtag in front of that, and I'm not going to tell you all the things you should do when you do a post, but there's a lot of very deliberate style. This is just a quick test, not including the deliberate style. Boom, hit post. And there's a post right there as a brand or a company page into the LinkedIn newsfeed. By the way, if I go look at my company page here, view as a member, go to post. There's that post, which typically you would post to on the LinkedIn company page, and then it will show up in the newsfeed. But I put it from the newsfeed, and it shows up on the company page. So that's a post. Let me show you another really cool thing that a company page or a brand can do. That is, if you find a piece of content, let me hit refresh and make that go away. If you find a piece of content that you want to engage on as a brand, then if you are a content manager or super admin of a company page, right here you'll be able to switch from the human. I can switch over to the company, hit save, and now I can like, I can comment, I can repost, can I send? I don't think I can send. Oh, I can, but I'm going to send this Teddy Burriss. It's not going to send as a company page. But as a company page, I can like, I can comment, I can repost or share it with my own thoughts, just as anyone else can. So you can share content. Furthermore, I can also comment as Burriss Consulting or reply as Burriss Consulting or as the brand on any piece of content. Again, as long as you're a content admin or a super admin of the page. The last thing that I would share with you, just high-level ideas. As a company page, you can't network, but you can, and this is where the humans do it, not the page. I can invite connections to be followers of the page. So you can build a following of your company page or your showcase page. You would do that as an individual, but again, the brand can have followers where the LinkedIn member can have connections and followers. Just a few really useful ideas that a brand can use on LinkedIn. There's just a few, there's lots of others, and I hope these ideas are useful for you.